my lovely maths group, and welcome to data handling part 3. So today we are going to think about a different way of representing data. So far we have thought about bar charts, we've used some tally charts, you have actually answered some questions, so you have been interpreting data, which is really important. There's no point collecting data and showing data if we don't know how to read it. But today we're going to think about pictograms. And that is using little pictures, little images to represent the information we've collected. It's really lovely, actually. There's a really important thing with pictograms, though. If we're collecting data and they start to get bigger numbers, we can't always have our little image representing 1. It might have to represent 2 or 5 or more. If you think about even in a bar chart, we've had to change our scale sometimes to represent different things. So the scale of your number on the side, sometimes it does count in 1s, doesn't it? Other times you might count up in 2s. Sometimes you might jump in 10s. And it's similar with a pictogram. It depends on what you're collecting and how many things you've collected and how many and how high the numbers might be. So today, in your data handling pack from your doorstep pack, I want you to go to the page that's called Statistics, and it looks like this. It's called a Statistics Problems number 1. And we have got a problem-solving section about drinks, children's favourite drinks. And as you can see here, they've given us a key that we are going to have to use and draw. So a full glass, this time, represents 2 children. So every single time we draw a full glass, it stands for 2. And when we want to represent the number 1 child, we only draw half a glass. So if I drew 1 full glass and a half glass, that means 3 people. If I drew 2 glasses and a half glass, that would be 2, add 2, add 1, 2, add 2, add 1, that makes 5. Okay? So we have to first fill in this pictogram chart. And here we have the data, if you can see it up here. So it says, the first one says 14 children like cola. And here we have our cola chart, section. And with pictograms, we go up, the same as we do with the bar chart. So we draw our glasses up here. So we've got to think, well, how many glasses am I going to draw? We need to get to the number 14. So we can count in 2s to get to 14 using our 2 times table knowledge. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh, brilliant. We can do 7 full glasses. Let's look at the next one quickly. The next one is children liking lemonade, which is the next block across. But it says 7. Now, I know that in our 2 times table, that doesn't work, does it? It goes 2, 4, 6. Well, 8's too many. So 2, 4, 6. Well, that's 3 full glasses. But I don't need 6 children. I need 7. So I'm going to have to draw 3 full glasses, 2, 4, 6, and then a half glass to make my 7. So I hope that makes sense. There's some questions to do underneath. So have a go at that. When you've done that, there's 2 more to have a look at. There's one about fruits, and these are on Shobi. And then another one about animals. So hopefully you'll be pleased about that, some of you. Dogs, cats, fish, rabbits, and hamsters. So have a look again. These are in, the scale is in, the pictures represent 2. So if you've shown here, look, this poor little pussycat is cut in half. Oh dear, and this fish is cut in half. Now, it doesn't mean that they've been decapitated. It means that they represent now just 1. Okay? So you've got 3 pictogram pieces of work to do today. On Shobi, I have put a PowerPoint on Shobi so you can have a look through that as well. So I'll put all the instructions on Shobi. Have a go. Your drawings don't need to be, you don't have to spend hours over your drawings. They're just simple drawings on those glasses just to get an image. But I love a pictogram. I just think they're wonderful and a very, very visual way of representing our data.